This is my review of the new microwave I purchased. I think it's called Comfy. Maybe that's how you pronounce the name. Let's see. Here is the manual that's got the name. So anyway, it's cute little microwave. Bright red. It actually has a handle. It's a little small on the inside, but we do put a full-size dinner plate in there, kind of angled, mainly just to warm up the plate when we're doing food. So I'm going to grab a bowl and put it in here, and then you can see what kind of space is left. So part of the reason I bought this is because I am blind and I can't use a microwave that has the smooth touchpad. So this has actual buttons that actually are tactile. And so this button right here rotates through the different power levels by 10%. So I'm going to drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then down here is the knob to select the time. When you turn the knob, it actually kind of makes like a little click, so you can tell that time is moving forward. So 1. So there we go. And then this is the middle button to start it. And the magnetron turned off. And then we'll stop it. And then there it is. So it's small, but it fits really nice in this counter area. The reason we got it is because our old microwave was too big and it stopped us from using the wall electrical outlets. So that is it.
So as you can see, I'm not able to do anything. This is the child lock feature. So I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm going to start it. Then I'm going to cancel it. And then it's supposed to lock it in 5 seconds. So let's see. Let's try again. It's locked. Unlock it. This is the child feature. And then I'm gonna turn it on to the lock on. And then the lock is gonna turn on. It's locked. super cute.
Is our new beautiful red 1x1 cubic feet Galanz microwave. It's so awesome. It's so darn cute. You know, the only problem with it was when we got it, the little like a roller, the roller thing was damaged, which we'll have to like reach out to the support and see if they can help us with that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like got a little thing in it. But in the meantime, I mean, it looks like we can still use it, which is great. We just reheated a stuffed pepper, and we did 1 minute and then 1 more minute, and it is like piping hot. I tried heating some water in a bowl for 30 seconds, and it was very hot. So we're really pleased. I'm really pleased with it. It's just super cute. It's really easy to use. As you can see, it kind of fits in with our red theme of all our other things in our kind of old style farm kitchen. So excellent.